Hi there, how are you? And welcome to this awesome video on 25 great Twitter marketing strategies. And this is really good stuff because these are going to be really insightful strategies, not just some kind of tweet better, right? Like not some kind of crappy strategies that like you can get anywhere else. These are going to be like really professional things that if you do all these, or at least most of these, you're going to be taking your tweeting to the next level, I promise you. So let's get started. So before anything, to you don't want to waste your effort, and because you don't want to waste your effort, you want to convert as many people as possible to followers, and maybe people who click on your website, maybe click on your people who click on your links, right? People who engage, right? And so the way to do that is you gotta make a professional account. The way you do that is get yourself a professional photo. It's extra points if it has something bright about it, so that it can stand out in a stream of tweets, right? Because when people scan tweets, they don't read all of them, and they see where their eye goes, and their eye sometimes goes to bright pictures. So if you have a bright photo or something very engaging in your photo that stands out, this will automatically get you all that much more engagement from right away. Okay, now when they click on your account, you want to have a nice background, you want to be professionally branded, and you don't have to be a graphic designer. You can hire one for maybe like $5 on Fiverr, Fiverr, and they'll create you a nice sort of like branded Twitter background. It's really nice. And so with that, the last thing you want to do for your account is you want to optimize that little bio, that bio about you. They only give you like maybe 200 characters or something like that. I don't remember exactly. It's not that much. But what you want to do is accomplish a few things. Get people interested. So tell them what you work about, what you work on, what your interests are, and definitely use keywords, because it's also a way for you to do the SEO, that search engine optimization for your Twitter account, because your Twitter account can come up in tweets in Google search results, and so you want to optimize that with keywords, and also make it not just for search engines but for people, make it interesting so that people ultimately follow you. And obviously put the link to your website so that people can, oh, they're interested, and then they can go see your website.